This trail is named after some logger named Harry, who many years ago was up here in his truck. His truck got stranded somewhere up here. So on this trail, I believe you can still find remnants of his truck. It's I-90, Interstate 90, going towards Seattle. Sorry to ruin your experience if you just wanted to see nature and mountains. We have reached Dirty Harry's balcony. A couple years ago, I was stranded on this mountain at night. So I spent the night under a tree on a rock next to a stream and waited until the break of dawn to go down. I do not want to repeat that experience, so I'm going to try to rush down the trail.